I have a complaint which I want to share and I'll share it later. I didn't really like what happened. Look at this. Look at this. This guy's come. Holy shit. The entire cabin got served and then...
I was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing to my own song, but you came, you made me.
Right, so I don't know if you can hear me because there's a lot of chatting and all going on, but I just got on board and it was crazy to see that this aircraft has a 2-4-2 configuration. Never really seen an aircraft like that before. To be very honest with you, the seats are slightly small, not that comfortable because let me tell you, the best seats I've ever sat on in my life are Air India seats. You can hate the company, you can say whatever you want about them, but hands down they've got the most comfortable seats. The reclining level is the max that this seat can recline. So anywho, pushing on. I'm not sure how many meal services are there, but let's see. Alright, so I just got done with the meal service. The food was pretty nice, but I have a complaint which I want to share and I'll share it later. As of now, I've got 2 seats for myself, 1 and 2, so I'm kind of stretched out like that. I'm gonna go and get some sleep now and then I will share my thoughts with you.
I was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong.
Thank you so much. Alright, so we just landed in Denpasar, Bali. I don't see where Vishal is. Flight was good, a little bit groggy, so excuse me.
Husband. Just joking. That was the joke what we had made. No problem. Yes.
Thank you so much. They gave us a really nice warm welcome. The DMC, which is the Destination Management Company, they really know how to treat their guests. They gave us a nice cold towel plus these flowers and all that. So far, I'm pretty much impressed with the service. Now I think we're going to push on to the hotel, but then I think our check-in is way at 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it's already 10 in the morning. Okay, so we've just made it to the hotel. Good thing is that the hotel is just a 10-minute drive from the airport. Saves us a lot of time in traveling. And they've just given me some iced tea. It's alright, it's nice. Anyways, so we've got free time till 4 o'clock. After that, we're doing a couple of temple visits, and that's about it. I think we're good for the night. So the hotel we're staying at over here in Bali is called the Eden Hotel. It's in a location called Kuta, Kuta, and it looks like it's not a quaint hotel, but it looks like a pretty decent modern type of hotel. For our rest of the duration of 5 days, we're going to be staying here.
Everyone got individual keys.
Come, bro. Okay guys, so what I did was I got out from the airport and I went to an ATM and I removed money. Now if you notice the denominations of the notes, each note is 1 lakh or 100,000. So I removed 1 million rupees, that's 10 lakh rupees, as you can see. And 10 lakh Indian rupees, I paid in Indian rupees about 4,200, 4,800 bucks. So, am I rich? No. Because, to give you an example, I just ordered for a sandwich. Whoa, look at this. Look at this. This guy's come. Holy shit. Oh my god, look at that. He's loaded. Ooh, we're gonna party tonight, aren't we? Look at that. He's showering me with wealth. Ah, the nice smell of money.
No, one for you also.
I love. Oh wow, this guy's also got money. Look at that. He's got dollars. He's even more rich.
Dollars for you.
Look at this. We are literally showered ourselves in money over here.
Like
How cool
you
is
can
that?
dance, I will show throw it on
You
you.
can actually throw stuff like that. Bali.
I like this type of open.
So it is about 4 in the evening in Bali. Like I mentioned, we are going to visit some temples. And I know that I look like complete crap because I've not slept well. Hi.
How you going?
Good. How's everything? So, like I said, I haven't slept. I feel like complete crap. And my face says it all. And I think my bus is leaving, so I think I need to push. Actually, no, I think I'm good. Okay. So I did want to tell you guys about incident that happened with me on Garuda. I didn't really like what happened. So I shifted my seat, I changed my seat, and the person I sat in, the person's seat that I sat in, apparently the guy was a vegetarian. I don't eat vegetarian, so I asked the air hostess for some non-veg. The entire cabin got served and then I was served. I mean, it was so difficult for them just to get a plate of non-veg food for me, which was ridiculous, and I was super hungry. And I kept on asking, what about my meal? What about my meal? She just didn't oblige, kept me waiting. I really did not like that. That's it.
But you